Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a really quick video just explaining how you can fix if you have any hissing or noise coming from your Bose QC35s. And as you can see in the video, just look for any little holes in the plastic. We're talking the microphone port, we're talking the headphone jack. We're going to be talking physically behind the ear pads and behind the little right felt fabric that they have there. And this is just a quick fix. This should be your first attempt to fix any of these hissing issues as soon as you turn on your active noise canceling. So first thing, wipe down anything. Make sure there's no dirt, crumbs, whatever it is. Also physically look underneath the felt padding there. And what we're going to do, as you can see in the back, there's a little green tower there. That's basically just a really fancy air gun. And we're going to use that to basically blow everything out. It turns out that the mics are obviously extremely sensitive and they're constantly listening to the environment. So if you blow those things out, make sure there's nothing in there dirt-wise, then that won't actually be picking up on the mic and causing that hissing. See the description for other possible issues and solutions if this does not fix your problem.